Okay, guys, so we are inside this amazing, mind-blowing course on Weebly.
Yeah, right.
And here, as I told you about, we are in the dashboard, okay? This is a website creation dashboard. That is what I call it.
Okay.
So the first thing I want to tell you is there is one publish button here. You see this?
Yeah, right.
So once you click on publish, what you can do here is you'll be able to set up a what you call as
Domain.
a domain. Okay. So suppose this is published in test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 whatever. So if you want to set up a domain, like where your what you call as website is going to be published, you can click on settings. Okay, and then in settings you have this site address. You see this, guys, site address.
Okay,
So
site address.
here you can change the site address and choose the domain that you want.
Okay, which domain I want?
.com or whatever you can.
I can paste that.
You can paste that domain and you can just do it. And site category, you can make it a blog or an online store or a business or whatever you want.
Okay, you have to categorize your site.
Correct. SSL certificate is required for websites because here if it has SSL only, it will say connection is secure. So you need a secure connection, right? For that SSL certificate, you can enable it here. Favicon is what do you call as you can generate a favicon. Favicon is something like a small icon that appears here. You see this W appearing here. So you can you have a lot of sites, guys. So favicon,
Facebook also that
favicon generator, whatever you can type in Google. So you have a favicon and app generator. So here you can paste a PNG image or something. It will give you a favicon that you can upload here. Okay.
Okay.
So it'll give you a 16:16 favicon or whatever you want, .ic or whatever that you can upload it here, guys. Okay, this here you can upload it. Then if you are setting up a site password, you can set it up here.
Okay.
Whatever.
And navigation.
Whatever. So if you want to group access pages and more, you can do it here. And site formatting and all, like date format, time format and all, you can do that. Cookie notification, if you want, you can definitely give it. Otherwise, you can leave it out. Okay.
Cool. These are all the basic settings you have to done before you start creating your
website. Okay, because then only you will have a hold over your website. Okay. The first thing,
once you've done the first step, initial step of the settings, then go to the build tab.
Yeah, build tab. This is a build tab. This is a pages tab. This is a theme tab. Theme we already saw.
Okay.
Apps. That I'll come to the later. So settings, then help us.
We saw the theme and settings now. Now we are going to see build tab.
Yeah, before that, here you see this is a computer icon.
Monitor icon.
So you can change it to mobile. So this is how your website will look in a mobile phone.
Okay, you can create your website based on both
mobile
laptop, PC
and mobile customization, right? So
because some website looks very good in PC,
correct,
but it looks little bit clumsy
and cluttered in mobile.
Yeah, right. So you can set your website based on both.
Correct. So now we'll go back to the laptop stuff. Okay, I mean the desktop stuff. And here the first thing I want to convey here is always, guys, whatever you are working is, always click on publish. Always you have to click on publish.
It's like a save button.
It's like a save button. Okay. So now the first title, you can drag whatever you want. So I've dragged this title, right? So if you want, you can drag one more title. Okay. Just drag and drop. I told you, right? Anybody can do it. And whatever you want, you type whatever you want. Okay.
You can type and you have bold, option, italic, underline, and increase font size, increasing and decreasing. And
this is
color, font color.
Okay, color. And then if you go here, just see this. This is the arrow here, no?
More
colors. That, you can give more white color if you want. And this is the link. You want it to link the text to link to something else. To a website or whatever.
Right. Linkable text. Clickable
text. Yeah. Whatever.
And center, left.
That Microsoft Word they would have used, no? Something like that only. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then you have, what is this? This is a remove formatting. Suppose you want to remove formatting and make it back to normal, you can do that.
And do and redo.
Undo and redo. Okay, very good. So now we have this. Suppose you want it to move down, you can just go down.
Click and drag.
Suppose you want it to, have it here, you can just drag it here. It'll
drag and drop where you want.
So if you want it again up, you can drag it here up. And this is the dragging part. Okay, it's very easy, right? Very, very easy. Whatever you want. Okay, so pretty good. So if you want to delete this, you can just click on this delete icon,
close button,
and then close button, and then
click delete.
That's it. It's gone. Completely gone. Pretty good. Amazing, right? And then you have text here. This
First
is text.
We saw the title and it is the
text.
title box, and next one is text.
It's a similar stuff only. Whatever you want, you can work on that.
But you can
yeah, you can use it. An image.
If you want image in between any two titles or two text box,
correct. You can obviously add the image.
Now I want image between the Srinidhi Ranganathan and the next line. Make the choices.
Actually, what has happened here, Saranya, is both have combined in a one single.
Okay. If it is a separate text box, means you can add that image.
See, if you want to make it separate, what you can do, I'll give you an idea.
Just copy and cut.
Wait.
And
what I'll do is I'll put the text here. Okay.
Okay.
Then what I'm going to do is, Saranya, I'm going to copy this.
Cut this.
And cut this. I mean, Control X, and I'm going to paste it here.
Okay.
So it becomes separate text box, right?
Now you can add the image.
We can add the image
in between these two.
Very good idea, Saranya.
Make your choice.
Okay. So now I can add.
To that one, you can add
now I
image.
can click on this upload image. Either I can upload a photo from my computer, or I can give it to image URL, or I can search for the image here, space.
Oh, wow.
So I have a lot of images. So I'll choose one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, done. So I've selected this image. So now the image is going to load and it is going to add. Okay, guys? It's added, right?
It added.
Now I can click on the image and I can, link it to some URL.
Okay.
Or I can make
clickable
it like
image.
box. Clickable image or spacing. Suppose you want top margin. See here, Saranya, spacing is like this, no? I can do that. Okay. And then if I wanted caption for that image, like a text.
Okay, I understood.
And then advanced, here I can give the alt text. Okay. Alt text means what? Alt text is for SEO. Like Google should understand what is that image. No? If the image is about a bicycle, then alt text will be bicycle, right?
Okay.
So Google search engine will understand that the image is about a bicycle, correct, Saranya?
Okay, right.
So this alt text is what Saranya tell me? It is about space. So I'll put space. So Google will understand that this image is about space. Or stars or whatever it is. So borders, if you want, you can add to the image. Whatever. So if that is not required, leave it. Border colors, you can give whatever you want. And then
select the border and you can select the border colors also.
Yeah, and then you can edit the image. Click on edit image. And then here you'll be able to
crop.
Yeah, you can crop the image.
You can filter. You can apply any filters.
Yeah, if you want filters, like different image filters. An entire Photoshop kind of thing is inside Weebly. Amazing, guys. Amazing to the core. Okay. See, this is super, no, Saranya?
Yeah.
So then you can go back. Then adjust the brightness
and everything.
Brightness, the saturation,
contrast.
Okay? What about contrast? Contrast was there here, no? Yeah. Super, Saranya, super. And then you can adjust the text.
If you want to add any text, means here also you can add. Otherwise, on the tab also you can add the text.
You can add the text. Adding text. Okay.
And you can change the text colors and text background, the font, text size and font and alignment. Everything you can change here.
This all you can change. Alignment and background of the text. Correct, Saranya?
Yeah.
Whatever. I think 1 minute I'll tell you. We'll just click on this. The foreground. Foreground means the color. Color of the text. Okay, whatever. And then focus. Focus is radial focus means more focus will be there here.
For the rest what of the things you want more focus on
linear
that
focus
image.
Or radial focus or whatever. If you want to see that, you saw that the edges will be blur. Correct? Super, no, Saranya. These all concepts are very good, yeah. See here, you see this now focus will be here, means like this. Super concept.
Great.
Okay. And if you want to save it, you can save it. If you don't want to undo this, you can just click on this. Discard changes. Okay. So now you understood about how to edit images.
Yeah, right.
The next step is gallery. For example, you have a series of images, correct? You have a series of images. Okay, Saranya?
Okay, I have a lot of images to add here, means.
So you can add it in gallery. So it will come like a gallery.
If you done a lot of projects, you want to add that project images for referral, means. Then you can go for the gallery and you have a bunch of
bulk of images or whatever.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and guys, one more thing I want to tell you. If suppose you added an image, you want to replace an image, you can click on that and replace an image.
Okay, wow, great.
That you can anytime you can replace the image. Okay, pretty good. And then now I deleted this, and then then if you want a slideshow, moving slideshow,
Okay,
you can
okay.
add this. Now we'll look at the contact
Right,
page.
some website top bar will be
Yeah,
more like
scrolling.
a slide.
Yeah, whatever you want,
Okay.
you can do that. You can
You
definitely
can do that using slideshow button.
Slideshow. And then if you want to add a map, suppose you have a contact page.
Okay. Contact page and Google Map you are having for your location, and the clients or customers want to come to your location very easily manner, means you have to add
a contact page.
You have to add the Google Map, because nowadays everything is Google
First
Map.
of all, they have to add a contact page. Inside the contact page only, they'll have a map. Correct?
Yeah, right.
So in order to add the contact page, now you see this, guys, there is no menu here, right? So here there is a logo. Either you can give a logo or a text. Okay.
Yeah.
I given text. I can even change that whatever I want. So I can change that. Now I need to add a menu. I'll come to that. So this is a header. And this is a footer. Okay. This is a footer.
Okay.
This is a header. You can even customize your footer. Now that is fine. Now I want to add a contact page. So how will I add a contact page, Charanya? Is I have to go to the theme. And then I can go to theme options. And first of all, if I want a search box, I can give on. If I want to collapse navigation, I can give on. So I have to give this on. Then only this menu will appear. Collapse navigation, the menu will appear. Now I can go to pages and I can click on the plus icon.
So you can add one more page to your website.
Correct. I need to add one more page.
First
to
you
my
have
website.
to go to theme tab. On that you have to click
theme options. And then collapse navigation was off. Now I have to give on.
Okay. Once
it is already on, not an issue. Okay.
Once you on the collapse navigation, in your website menu bar will come. After that, you have to go to pages
and start adding a page. Start adding a page. Here there will be a plus icon.
You have to click and add a new page.
Yeah.
Okay, new page also it will ask the same question like you want a blog page or category page or product page or external page.
A non-clickable menu. Okay, non-clickable menu means, suppose what will happen means, if you have a page, see if you have a menu, right? You can have sub-menus, sub-items, sub-menu items. That is non-clickable menu. External page means, suppose I have a YouTube channel, okay?
Okay.
So I can give an external page here that says you can't, subscribe on YouTube or whatever it is, and then I can add the channel URL.
Okay.
So product page means I have an e-commerce store. So I can link that e-commerce store here. Category here inside Weebly. Remember the e-commerce.
Okay, right.
Category page means showcase products of a specific category.
Okay,
so I have headphones category, or I have dolls category or whatever it is. I can do
blog page.
Blog directly. I can add the blog. Okay. So now go to standard page.
Standard page.
And now I can add it as contact
page. Form. You
contact
have to
us
add
or whatever.
Contact us.
Contact us.
Anything. You want to show on your website, you have to
This is hidden navigation. I don't want to hide it navigation. Let it be there so that it will appear here. Okay. So in order for that to appear here, what I need to do is here it has appeared. Just I can click on that and it will appear. So now I can go to visibility public only. It is not an issue. Now I want to add a map. So I'll go to build again and I will click on the map and I'll put it here. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I put the map. Okay, now I need to add the map. So now we'll give something. So suppose I'm giving, say something in Bangalore. Okay, so I will give Indira Nagar, Bangalore. See how I'll give. So I'll type in Indira Nagar, Bangalore. Okay, guys. Now I'll click on this. Once I add it, now Indira Nagar will come. You understand the concept?
Right.
So whatever you want, you can even give Brazil, whatever you want. So you type the address.
Type your address location and it will show here.
Okay. So it will come. So if suppose I give, say USA, whatever, California. Okay. Now just give this, enter. It will show. Okay. So it's going to show like this. So now you can click on this and then you can zoom it across. See this, guys? You can zoom this. So how much zoom will be in the map?
Okay.
That you can adjust. Width and height you can adjust. Position you can adjust. Spacing you can adjust. Advanced location. Suppose you know the latitude and longitude of a location.
Okay.
You can give that. Advanced display. Suppose you want to show marker at the address or do not show the marker, this marker, or you want to show the scale or not, or you want to have a small zoom or whatever, you can.
Okay.
Once you do this, click on publish. That's all. The map is going to show. Here people can zoom. Here people can zoom across, right? Saranya, like this.
Yeah, right.
They can zoom across. Okay. Cool. In the next video, we'll look at more and more amazing stuff and continue the process of more and more stuff that we are going to teach here in Weebly. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this amazing, mind blowing course.